Welcome. This is a final video to fix Xbox app stuck at launching on Windows 11. And if you've been staring at that spinning loading screen for minutes, you're not alone. Many users face this issue because the app's cache or background services get stuck or updates don't install properly. And most solutions you find online are long, confusing, or require messing with system files. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a simple trick that works fast. First, close the Xbox app completely. Then, press Windows plus R. Type stress.exe and hit enter to clear the cache. Next, restart the Xbox services from the task manager and finally launch the app again. And almost instantly it should open without freezing. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial with every click shown, comment below and I'll make it for you.